Here is how we're gonna delete everything on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So a lot of people would just go to the settings, general, and the storage. And in here, you can see what is taking up the storage. So you can go to the individual apps and like delete those if you don't need them. But if you need to wipe the iPhone clean and get it ready for selling or whatever else you want to do with it, the best way would be to still be inside of the settings, tap on general, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. And when you click on this, it's going to give you multiple options as well. And at the bottom entirely, or you can see right here, we have the erase all content and settings. And this is the option which you need to click on. It's going to let you know what exactly is going to happen. So all of the data is going to be gone, so 110 gigabytes almost of my data will be fully deleted. The Apple account is going to be signed out, as well as the Find My activation log will be turned off. So I can't continue. I will have to confirm my identity a few times and make sure that I know what I'm doing, because after this, the phone will be fully wiped clean. So the point is that you're going to go through this section right here and you will have the ability to end up with a brand new iPhone. So after you go through all of that, the phone will behave as if it was brand new. So you'll have to sign in with a new account and all of that. So that is how you can approach this. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you then.